In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Calendly. Branding your scheduling pages with your logo helps people recognize and trust they're in the right place. So let's walk through how to add your logo quickly and cleanly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select All Settings. This takes you to the hub where you can control how your account looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, find and click the Branding tab. This is where your visual identity lives inside Calendly. You'll see a section labeled Logo. Click the Upload Image button there. Before you upload, it's a good idea to have a clear, high-resolution file ready. Calendly supports PNG, JPG, and SVG, and those formats typically produce crisp results. If you have a version of your logo with a transparent background, a PNG is often a great choice because it blends well with different page backgrounds. When the file picker opens, choose your logo from your computer. After it loads, Calendly will present a cropping tool. Use this to center and size your logo so it's easy to read at a glance. Aim for enough padding around the edges so nothing gets cut off, and avoid making it so large that fine details become blurry or cramped. If your logo is wide or tall, adjust the crop to keep the most important part visible and balanced. Think about how it will appear on booking pages where space can be limited. Simplicity and clarity win here. When your logo looks right, click Apply to confirm the crop. Take a moment to check the preview so you're confident with the placement. If the preview feels off, you can reopen the tool and tweak the crop until it feels consistent with your brand. Finally, click Save Changes to publish your new logo. Calendly will update your branding so it appears across your event types and booking pages. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a quick refresh. From here, you're all set. Your logo is now part of the experience your invitees see when they schedule with you. To recap, sign in, head to All Settings, open the Branding tab, upload your logo, fine-tune the crop, and save. With just a few clicks, your Calendly now looks professional and on brand.